Creating high-quality animated video ads usually takes entire teams, expensive softwares, and weeks of production. But what if you could create them in minutes? No animation skills, no coding skills, just AI. Today, I'll show you how to use Pixart Flow to generate animations from a single image into animated assets like social ads and storyboards. I'm Haik, and let's get started. Pixart Flow is an AI workflow tool that lets you ideate, iterate, and automate designs on a single visual canvas. It's a node-based workflow builder for solo creators or teams. It makes creative automation simple and powerful. Let's head over to Pixart Flow and start creating. For today's example, I came up with a cherry-flavored soda brand that I want to bring to life with some short animated concepts. So let's start by uploading some designs I already have on hand. Here we have a rough design for my soda brand in an image node. In another image node, we have a 3D blank can. Let's start by adding the design to wrap around the soda can. Create a new image node and connect the design and the soda can to it. For this example, I'll stick with Nano Banana Pro. Let's keep the aspect ratio set to auto and the quality at 4K. And now let's start prompting. A product shot. Add the design onto the surface of the can. Make sure the design wraps around the shape of the can and click Generate. As you can see, we have a nicely rendered can for my soda brand. Now let's create some videos. I have two different directions I want to explore. One has a dreamlike sky background and the other one is sweeter and involves a cake. Let's start with the dreamy concept. In a new image node, you can either upload an image or generate one. I'm going to upload something I already have. Let's connect the new branded soda image and the background into a new image node. For the prompt, you can write something like this. Add the soda can standing upright on water. Make sure the water shows the reflection of the can. Make sure the lighting blends naturally with the environment. Preserve the copy. Click Generate. This looks pretty cool. Now let's get to the fun part. My concept involves these three giant cherries interacting with the environment. From the newly generated image, drag and create a new video node. We have a selection of video generation models. Try different ones and have fun experimenting with the results. I'll go with VO 3.1 since it gives a strong and natural looking results. The key animation I want is the soda can popping up from the water. I already have a background for the first frame. I also have the soda can with the background for the second frame. Let's go ahead and connect them to the new video node. You'll notice in the bottom left corner there is a preview showing how the frames transition. This defines the overall action I want the soda can to take. Now we just need to write the prompt. I like to use a timestamped script so the model has more detail to work with. You can write something like this. A high-quality cinematic short ad with a very slow zoom throughout. No soda can. Just the sky background and rippling water in the foreground. Three giant cherries fall from the sky onto the water, breaking the surface. They land at different distances from the camera and float outward. The soda can pops up from the water and rests on the surface. The soda can opens and bubbles rise from the top. Make sure you have the perfect settings you want and then click Generate. Now we have our first video animation. Let's watch it together. I love how this turned out, but let's try another version with a different model. What about Clink 3.0? I'll use the same prompt but tweak the middle section. Three giant cherries float up and bob to the surface, breaking through the water. They sit at different distances from the camera and drift outward. Click Generate. Now we have two variations of the Dreamy concept for my soda brand. Let's move on to the sweeter concept using a cake. I want this one to be a bit messy and fun. I'm going to upload a cherry cake I like, but you can generate your own. In a new image node, connect the cake and the soda can, and write something like this. An elegant, manicured hand wearing a white satin glove holds the can on an angle so the label faces the camera. The can and glove are covered in bits of cake, as if the hand reached into the center of the cake to pull the can out, and click generate. Now we have a fun and messy visual. For the video, I want the hand to come in, dive into the center of the cake, and reveal the can. Connect the first frame, which is the cake, and the second frame to a new video node, and then write something like this. An elegant gloved hand enters from the right side above the cake. The hand dives into the center of the cake and pulls out the soda can, with the label facing the camera, and click generate. This concept looks amazing and I'm pretty happy with it. Later you can experiment more. You can also resize it in Pixart Flow to fit different social media formats. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. I'm Haik and I'll see you in the next one.